Hi everyone. So today we have a spread of for three things you need to do, say, and give before 2024 ends. So right now we're in mid-September, so we have almost 3.5 months to recalibrate and reassess where we are in life as compared to where we thought we would be when this year began. So let's first start with general energy. So the card we have here is Eight of Swords, which is basically feeling stuck in a situation, feeling anxiety, or not being able to release, not being able to say goodbye to the ghosts of your past, keeping yourself stuck. This card also symbolizes neglect and abuse. So you may have some memories coming up, or you may be feeling stuck in an area of a life, or there is something that you're not seeing, you're feeling blinded by a situation. So there is definitely a need of clarity at this moment about a particular situation. Eights are also about infinity and karma. So maybe you are feeling stuck in a situation because you're currently clearing out some karmic debts. So for three things you need to do uh, before this year ends are Lovers, World, and Chariot. We have three major arcana cards here, which is interesting. So we have eight here in Eight of Swords. After that, the next card here is Nine of Swords, and then the next card here we have is Wheel of Fortune. So we have 8, 9, 10. Before that, we have sixth card, seventh card, and eight. So if you feel that in any area of your life progress is slow, or something that you've been wanting to manifest or attract, it has not come in, so this does indicate a sign a bit of progress. So the first thing that you need to do is stand up for yourself in any area of your life. Believe in yourself, believe in your power. I also see this chariot with this angel wings as your guides coming in to help you, so you may need to be open to accepting help in whatever way, shape, or form it makes its way to you. Then next we have the world card. So you do need to close out some old chapters. You do need to say goodbye to maybe old lovers or old friends that are keeping you stuck in situations that are not exactly making you happy. So another thing is you may need to start a new chapter in life and basically plan out the exit of the year. So maybe take a few minutes to think about what note you want to end this year on, and maybe take some action steps to head that way. So even if things have not been the way you would have wanted them to so far, you still are in charge of your life. There is nothing keeping you stuck in a situation that you're not happy in. Take power in your hands and make decisions to end old chapters and old cycles. Another thing that you want to do before this year ends is accept help. Again, accept love. Make a choice to find happiness in yourself, or maybe attract a partner if that is something in your goals. Maybe try to, you know, be open. So if you've been trying to attract love in your life and you it still has not come in, so you're being asked to surrender to the flow. Like, you've done your part, let universe does its part now. There is no need to control each and every aspect of your life. There is also a need to make a choice to welcome. If you have someone in your mind and you're still struggling to make an offer, or if you're still struggling to share your feelings with them, so that may be something that you do need to do. You may also need to say yes to new opportunities that may find its way to you. uh, I also see this chariot card as marriage with lovers. So some of you may be getting married, so that may be the old cycle that you're staying saying goodbye to your old life in whatever way it makes sense to you. Basically, the first message we have is to say hello to help. Maybe you have a tendency to want to control every aspect of your life or every aspect of a particular situation, and there is a need to let go of that control. There is a need to welcome light in your life. There is a need to trust and be more positive, be more hopeful for what the universe has in store for you. There is a need to have faith in your own light, basically. Have faith in your own self. So let's now go to three things that you need to say before 2024 ends. Judgment, hermit, strength. Again we have 8, 9, and then we saw wheel of fortune here, and this one is 20th. We have 21st or 22nd card here. Yeah, 21st. Boy. So three things that you need to say before this year ends. uh, the first thing is that you need to start speaking your mind, basically. Maybe if there is someone in your life that has been holding your back, or that has been causing you um, pain of any way, shape or form, there is a need for you to tell them to stop. There is a need for you to stand up again for yourself. There is a need for you to release control over what needs to be said. Yes, there is something that you need to say, otherwise, yeah, there is something that you need to say, otherwise you wouldn't be feeling in limbo, right? If everything was happening just the way it was meant to happen, you would not be feeling stuck, you would not be feeling anxious, you would not be feeling restless, right? So there is something that you definitely need to say. I think it is different for all of you, but in general theme I'm getting is that there is someone or something that has been holding you back, that has been causing a lot of drama in your life, or maybe you do struggle in general to speak your mind, and you do struggle to open yourself up to maybe new people, or people in general. So there is a need for you to open up in that regard. Just say your mind, assert your power, and see what happens, right? We also have judgment here. So some of you may have gifts, as in you have a gift of sight, or maybe you have a gift of speech. Some of you are good at public speaking, but maybe shying away from the opportunities because of anxious thoughts and anxiety. So that may be something you want to get into. Some of you actually need to hear what the divine has to say. uh, you need something, maybe a peace offering or something that makes you feel better about yourself, or that makes you feel that things are going the way they are going right now. You may need near reassurance. So there is a need for you to give that reassurance to yourself and be open to it when it comes from other sources. So it may be public speaking for you, it may be let's say speaking up your mind. Some of you need to say enough is enough. I am not going to put up with whatever I have been trying to put up with for so long. It is not worth my time and energy. It is time for me to say goodbye. Things are not working out for me, and I am done with this situation. Uh, and then we have the Hermit card. So some of you have been shying away from sharing your inner light. Some of you have been shying away from sharing your own feelings. Like I said before, there is a need to start expressing yourself. Stop ruminating over past, and stop ruminating over pain. So nines also symbolize endings. So you may need to say goodbye. You may need to put an end to a situation that is making you feel left out in the cold. Again, you may have gifts that you need to share with the world. It will be different for all of you, so I cannot say like you need to say X, Y and Z, or let's, or what you need to exactly say, right? So we also have 6 of cups, 2 of swords, 3 of swords, 5 of wands. So 1 second. Yeah, so maybe you've been going through a heartache or anxiety, or you've been struggling to move on from a breakup. So what you do need to say is anything that makes you get over that particular situation, or you do need to say what brings you pain. Like, it's very easy to compliment others when they help you, but it's equally difficult, especially if they are your friends or family members, when they're hurting you. So you do need to verbalize what is and is not working for them. That I think we had with strength card also. So you need to figure out what it is that you want, what it is that you do not want, what is it that you are open to, what is it that you're not open to. what is it that hurts you. So you may have trouble verbalizing your emotions, and you do then get stuck in difficult situations because you've not yet put up boundaries. So you may need to put up those boundaries, and basically, even if they are with your friends and people you've known all your life, some of you may need to make a romantic offer like we had here also, or give a peace offering like we had with the judgment. Some of you need to sit still and listen to what is happening all around you. Again, it will depend on each of your individual situations. So if you feel that you've been feeling stuck in a situation and there is no way out of it, yes, there is, but you will need to say so. You will need to verbalize it. You will need to express yourself. You will need to express what hurts you, what is working for you, what is not working for you. If you're not able to see the whole truth about a situation, some of you may need to ask for it. Maybe ask your friends and family for help, and they will be open to. So to this particular card is also about observation. So some of you need to see how a particular situation ends or how things progress before taking a big step. Again, it will be individual for every one of you. So in any case, if there is anything that needs to be said, it needs to be said. um, there is also like a divine, maybe some astrological influence going on, some cycle that is keeping you stuck in a situation. So if you feel that things are just not ending or not working, so it may be because it's not the time for that particular cycle to end, and maybe it is the time, there is some particular event wherein it will become more and more prominent to you, or it was not time yet and now it is time for you to say goodbye. It is ultimately your choice. No one can force you to do, say, or whatever, right? You have to make decisions for yourself. Yeah. So yeah, some of you need to wait things out and see how they work. Some of you may need to plan your exit from a situation. Some of you may need to plan a travel if that is something that has been on your mind. Some of you may need to express what brings you happiness and what does not. Maybe if you're in a relationship with a person, then you may need to say, okay, this works for me, this does not work for me. Again, there is a in general need for communication in an area of your life. Then we have three things that you need to give to the earth before this year ends. So for that we have Hierophant. Your gift is what you need to share with the earth, whatever gift you may have. Maybe you may be good at, again, public speaking, or you may be to have some insights for you to share. Some of you may have psychic gifts. Some of you may be good at cards, like I'm reading right now, and some of you may be, again, good at being a leader of in a particular situation, or managing things and taking care of situations. So your gift to the world is basically, again, your ability to lead people to where they need to be, your ability to give guidance. So that is a gift that you need to give to the earth. If you've been not actively helping people out, that is something you may need to try. If you're not volunteering, that is something you may need to try. So if you're shying away from sharing your gifts, and that is something that needs to change at this time. Then you also need to share love. Again, so we all live in lack mentality in one way, shape, or form, right? So that is the part that needs to change. Some of you may need to, again, share your love with the world, or with a particular person, or with your boyfriend or your girlfriend or your husband or your wife. So you do need to cut people some slack. You do need to give a peace offering, or you do need to like express yourself, maybe to a loved one. This is a pretty romantic scene to me, so maybe you need to give yourself surrender to a relationship, or surrender to a partner. Some of you may have, again, monetary gifts to share with the world. So you may need to give into charity, or give to a friend that is in need at the moment. Again, it will be different for each and every one of you. There is no way for me to give you 100% accurate answer about what needs to be said and done. Some of you need to fight for yourself, like we had earlier also. victory will again be yours. You will find respite in whatever it is that you've been struggling to find respite in. You will find a break if you've been struggling to find a break in any area of your life. Some of you may need to spend some time with your friends and family members. Some of you may feel stuck in situations because your friends and family members do not support you. So there is again a need for karma to balance out, like we said in the beginning. There is a need for you to step into a leadership role and see where things go. Some of you may need to say goodbye to negative habits and negative addictions and find peace in yourself. There is a need to let go of lack mentality. You may be feeling left out in the cold, depressed, and hurt. So there is a need to be open to see, when we give to others, we realize just how much we have. So maybe it's time to make a list of things that you can give to charity, and that you can give to friends and your families. That may help you progress in a situation which you feel that you're stuck in. That may help with manifesting whatever wish that you're trying to manifest. That may help you to find fulfillment on a personal level. And we also have these guidance cards. I acknowledge the storehouse of spiritual wisdom within. I trust my inner voice and follow inner guidance. I'm a willing channel for divine inspiration and creative solutions. I enjoy regular yoga practice. I meditate with ease and grace. Again, some of you may have spiritual gifts to share. Some of you need to spend time with yourself. Some of you need to step into your power, whatever that personally means to you. And then we have, I use experiences from the lessons I have learned to improve myself. Yeah, some of you need to cut your losses and basically say goodbye to situations that you should not be in. Then we have, I realize my fullest potential spiritually, mentally. I see a pattern in my life. I approach creatively by thinking a rainbow of light. Again, some of you need to accept your gifts, accept help in whatever way it makes to you. Some of you need a creative outlet. So that is another thing that you may want to explore. Maybe you need to try a new hobby and see how things work out for you.